Yes. So tell me about it. We've got a terrible cough, but also okay while pregnant. So I'm here to say that I got into homeopathy because I was nursing a baby and I wanted to do something holistic, but I needed it to be 100% safe. And the raging trend at the time was essential oils, but you'd see that some essential oils aren't safe to be had around babies. You can ingest some oils, and so other people were saying you can't ingest oils. So there was a lot of confusion. I didn't want to mess with it. Also, just the fact that they're really expensive, I wasn't about that. So lo and behold, homeopathy was introduced to me at that time. So I have taken homeopathy in pregnancy. Again, I've given it to my babies. I've taken it while nursing. There's no contraindication for homeopathy and those states as well. You'll go to the store and see most remedies, or a lot of the remedies for babies are actually homeopathic. So you're on the right track there. You can take homeopathic remedies while pregnant. Now, for the terrible cough part, in homeopathy, you're typically going to want to be a little more specific on the symptoms to get a good match. Now, fortunately, Brian does make combination remedies that will generally hit the cough. So there is a remedy or a product called Chestal that you can get. You probably get at Walmart, but you can definitely get it at Sprouts and probably at Whole Foods as well, if not on Amazon. So Chestal is a homeopathic remedy that would be safe for pregnancy. Now, just as a note, some of the Chestal I think is made with honey. So if you're going to try to give it to anyone under 1 year old, you might just, look at that and see, if the honey is okay. Maybe you can get it without honey, but otherwise it's fine for you. Otherwise, what you're going to want to do is assess your symptoms. So do you have a dry cough? If you have a dry cough, you're going to want to look at Drosera. If you have a rattling cough, you're going to want to look at Aunt Tart. If you have a cough it's called nags and gags, so one that just has really difficult phlegm and you actually might throw up, Ipecac is indicated for that one. I actually gave that one to my daughter the other day. She coughed and threw up, and I was like, oh, that's very helpful. In fact, I knew which remedy to give her. It was a very strong symptom. So she's a baby. It's fine. It happens. But go to Dr. Homeo and look up cough, and he'll have different remedies with the symptoms, and you can maybe select a good remedy from that. There it is. Good luck.